In this video, I will show you which are the steps to perform chart test on the patient. The patient needs to be explained the procedure before placing the sensor. Attach ECG sensors on the patient according to ECG sensor placement guide that will be provided to you. The minimum distance between the ECG electrodes should be left free so that the sensor lies properly on a surface that is not obstructed by other parts. Prepare harness with DMCG sensors. Adjust sensors according to DMCG sensor placement guide. Set and adjust harness on the patient and set him in a supine position. Be sure to check that the sensors are still in the right place. When the patient is prepared for testing, plug in the cables of DMCG and ECG sensors to the device. Connect the device to the computer. Now testing can begin. Watch the following video.